Hey everyone, it's great to have you here. If you're a business owner looking to boost your SEO in 2025, you're in the right place. Today I'm diving into the top AI tools that can skyrocket your search engine rankings and get you those coveted clicks. Let's get started. First up, we have Surfer SEO. This tool is a game changer when it comes to on-page optimization. With its AI-driven recommendations, it analyzes the top-performing pages for your target keywords and gives you actionable insights. Think of it as your personal SEO assistant, guiding you to tweak your content for maximum impact. Next on the list is ClearScope. This tool is perfect for content creators and marketers. ClearScope uses AI to analyze and optimize your content for relevancy and comprehensiveness. It helps you find the right keywords and phrases that your audience is searching for, ensuring your content is both engaging and SEO friendly. Now let's talk about Market Muse. Market Muse is all about content strategy. It uses AI to help you plan and create content that ranks. The tool offers insights into what topics you should cover, how to structure your content, and even what questions to answer. It's like having an SEO strategist on your team 24/7. Another fantastic tool is Phrase. Phrase is designed to help you create content that answers your audience's questions. It uses AI to identify the questions people are searching for and provides you with the best answers. This not only boosts your SEO, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. And we can't forget about SEMrush. SEMrush has been a staple in the SEO community for years, and their AI-powered features are better than ever. From keyword research to site audits, SEMrush offers a comprehensive suite of tools that help you stay ahead of the competition. Plus, their AI algorithms provide personalized recommendations, making it easier to optimize your site. Finally, there's BrightEdge. BrightEdge uses AI to provide real-time insights and recommendations. It helps you track your SEO performance, understand your competition, and identify new opportunities. With BrightEdge, you can make data-driven decisions that drive results. All right, folks, that's a wrap on the top AI tools for boosting your SEO in 2025. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your SEO efforts more effective. If you want more details on these tools, head over to aibusinesstoolco.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you next time.